pain could not stop his journey for peace. The body may feel pain, but the spirit remains unbroken. Pain in the body, but peace in the heart. Wheels may carry the body, but faith carries the heart. Strength is not in the legs, but in the spirit. Finding peace in the beauty of nature. Sometimes the best meditation is simply enjoying nature. Nature has a peaceful way of calming the mind. In nature, the heart feels light and peaceful. Nature and meditation together create a beautiful moment of peace. A monk's calm presence makes nature feel even more peaceful. Simple moments in nature bring deep happiness. Peace begins with a calm mind and a quiet place in nature. Surrounded by nature, the mind becomes still and peaceful.